Welcome to this presentation on the modern classification of living organisms, focusing on kingdom Animalia, particularly invertebrates. In this session, we will explore the characteristics, classification, and major phyla of invertebrates. Kingdom Animalia is made up of multicellular organisms that are eukaryotic, meaning their cells contain a nucleus. Unlike plants and fungi, animals do not have cell walls or chloroplasts. They are heterotrophic, meaning they depend on other organisms for food. Most animals have the ability to move and reproduce sexually. Animals in kingdom Animalia are classified into two major groups based on the presence or absence of a backbone. Invertebrates are animals that lack a backbone, while vertebrates possess one. In this presentation, we will focus on invertebrates. Phylum Porifera includes the simplest multicellular animals, commonly known as sponges. They lack true tissues and organs but have a porous body structure that allows water to circulate through them. Their skeleton is supported by spicules or spongin. Sponges can reproduce both sexually and asexually. Phylum Cnidaria includes radially symmetrical aquatic animals such as jellyfish and sea anemones. They have two body layers with a jelly-like mesoglia in between. Their most unique feature is their specialized stinging cells, called cnidocytes, which help capture prey. Cnidarians exhibit two main body forms, the sessile polyp and the motile medusa. Let's take a moment to test our understanding. Answer these three multiple-choice questions based on the previous slides. Choose the best answer before we move on. Flatworms, classified under phylum Platyhelminths, are bilaterally symmetrical soft-bodied animals. They have a flattened body structure and lack a true body cavity, making them acoelomates. Many species, such as tapeworms and liver flukes, are parasitic and have complex life cycles. Roundworms, or nematodes, have a cylindrical, unsegmented body structure. They are pseudocoelomates, meaning their body cavity is not fully lined with mesoderm. Unlike flatworms, they have a complete digestive system with a separate mouth and anus. Many roundworms, such as ascaris and hookworms, are parasites that infect humans, animals, and plants. Annelids are segmented worms that have a well-developed body structure, including a closed circulatory system. They possess setae, which are tiny bristles that aid in movement. The internal body segments are separated by partitions called septa. Earthworms and leeches are common examples of this phylum. Mollusks are soft-bodied animals that often have an external shell for protection. Their body is divided into three main parts: the head, the visceral mass, and the muscular foot. Some, like octopuses and squids, lack external shells but have highly developed nervous systems. Echinoderms are unique marine animals with radial symmetry as adults and a calcareous internal skeleton. They move using a water vascular system, which also aids in feeding. Some species, like the starfish, have the remarkable ability to regenerate lost body parts. The phylum Arthropoda is the largest and most diverse group in the animal kingdom. It is further classified into four main classes. Insects, such as butterflies and ants, have three-part bodies, 6 legs, and most have wings. Arachnids, including spiders and scorpions, have 8 legs and no antennae. Crustaceans, like crabs and lobsters, are mostly aquatic and have 5 or more pairs of legs. Lastly, myriapods, including centipedes and millipedes, have long segmented bodies with numerous legs. Each of these classes has adapted to different environments, making arthropods the most successful group of animals. Arthropods are divided into 4 main classes based on their body structure and characteristics. Insects have 3 body parts, 6 legs, and often wings. Arachnids have 2 body parts, 8 legs, and no antennae. Crustaceans are mostly aquatic, with 2 body parts, multiple legs, and gills for breathing. Myriapods have long, segmented bodies with many legs, where centipedes are fast-moving predators, and millipedes are slow-moving herbivores. Pause 0.5 Together, these classes make up the largest and most diverse group of animals on Earth. Each class of arthropods plays a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance. Insects help with pollination, decomposition, and serve as a food source for many animals. Arachnids, such as spiders and scorpions, regulate insect populations, with some species using venom to capture prey. Crustaceans, found in aquatic environments, recycle nutrients and support marine food chains. Myriapods, including centipedes and millipedes, help break down organic matter, enriching the soil. Without arthropods, ecosystems would be drastically different and less stable. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Please choose the correct answers to the following questions. Kingdom Animalia consists of multicellular, heterotrophic organisms that lack cell walls. Invertebrates, which make up most of the kingdom, are classified into various phyla based on body structure and function. From simple sponges to complex arthropods, each group has unique adaptations that support survival in diverse environments. Understanding these classifications highlights the vast diversity and ecological importance of invertebrates. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concepts effectively and enjoyably.